So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to unpin message on Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. You can see this is the home page of your Instagram account, and you should have to tap on message icon which is available on the lower bottom of your screen. So tap on it. Now on the top chat you can see the icon of pinned which is available in the right side of the screen. So just tap on the message until you will see the option of unpin, delete, mute calls and mute messages. So you should have to tap on unpin. Now see, you have successfully unpinned the chat from the Instagram. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.